What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy Dio coming at you guys with another unboxing. Today we're going to be looking at the Jordan 1 SB lows in the Midnight Navy colorway. Let's get into it. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. It helps the channel so much. So I purchased these off of eBay, and they are through the eBay Authenticity program. Ended up getting these for around $300, which is actually a lot. But I've really been liking Jordan 1 lows and like rocking them a lot. So this is the cheapest I could find it. The market was going crazy on these. Seems compared to like $600, which I definitely wouldn't pay. So at this price point, didn't seem too bad, but definitely still a lot. And this is actually my first Jordan 1 SB, so I'd like to see what the difference is. If you guys haven't bought from eBay, here it is. Meet your soulmates, eBay authenticity guaranteed. Go. In the box, they have authentic no doubt, and they also have sell for free. Super cool program, gets you super quick. Takes about 5 days, from my personal experience. Here they are, they come in an SB box. These are like Air Koston, I guess a skateboarder. These are super dope. Another release, the highs. I had the highs early, but I just wasn't really a huge fan of them. But these lows are super sick. Definitely like the Jordan Emma like that. I know a lot of people don't, but I think they look super dope. And I like the materials. Definitely need a good cleanup. Midsoles definitely show some wear. Bottoms aren't terrible. Alright, now that I got them both out, you guys see kind of both the shoes. Definitely need some cleaning. I have to use this suede eraser, get this cleaned up, and have some ink oil. I'll shine up the suede. Suede's not in terrible condition. There's minor creases. Like I said, this is super dope to me, little Jordan number. They have Air Koston on the tongue as well, on the inside of the tag. Super dope. They have the Nike SB, and they have the wings on the back. One thing I really like about this Jordan 1 SB is that they are an OG, so they have the tag and then they have the wings on the back, which I think makes it look a lot better. Personally, just not a fan if it doesn't have that. And I'm just really a big fan of this colorway. I personally like this low better than the highs. I had the highs as an early pair and ended up selling them. I think that the lows just look a lot better. These definitely need cleaning, like I said, and I will get you guys that. I wanted to show you guys a quick unboxing, just kind of little details on it. This is what it looks like before it's cleaned up. I'm definitely gonna put some work in. Not gonna get the creases out because the suede material, and I'll see if I can get this scuff out right here. Should clean up pretty well. Just would be super careful because I don't want to get this material wet at all. So suede eraser and then mink oil should get this pretty nice, and then I'll get a crease shield in here, which should help that. And I'll get you guys a try at the end of the video. Hope you guys really enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think Jordan 1 lows are dope? You guys like the Jordan 1 and SB? I would like to get the UNCs next. So like I said, I hope you guys really enjoyed. I will drop the product number in the description below, and stick around for the trial. Thank you guys for watching. I'm out.